Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about can you speed up the audio on Instagram Reels. Okay, so if I just tap on Instagram Reels really quickly and then I tap on the camera icon at the top right to create a reel, that'll take me into the Reels camera and I can just record something real quick. Okay, so I just recorded something really quickly, and if I go ahead and tap the music icon, which is right over there, and then just add some random music into the reel, you can see here that you have the option to choose where you want the song to start from, what part of the song you want in your reel, and then you can tap on done. But you can see there's no way to speed up the reel audio right here. So the only thing that you can really do is to speed up the entire reel itself. So you'll tap this plus or this one with the X next to it, and this will allow you to speed up the reel up to 5 times. But this will go ahead and speed up the whole entire thing, not just the audio. So I haven't found a way myself how to speed up the audio within the reel itself. I think you would need to use a third-party application such as CapCut or something like that in order to just speed up the audio for your specific reel. If you would like a tutorial on exactly how to do that, just drop a comment down below saying CapCut and I'll get that created for you. So I just wanted to clear that up for you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.